They don't wanna see you win, they just wanna see you fall. They don't wanna see you win, ay, they don't wanna see you win. All they do is pretend, ay, all they do is pretend. No, they just wanna see you fall.
Too far out. I ain't gonna be running. Turn around. Y'all hear Ava over there. She his little cheerleader. Talking about something. Come on, Poopy. Come back, Poopy. Put some gas to it, boy.
It's hard to catch it.
Get some gas. There you go. There you go. Big man on that thing. There you go. Yeah, look, got the helmet on. Got the motorcycle shirt and gloves on.
When they got one over here?
I don't know what they over here playing frisbee or something. Amari!
The way his man got his head.
Amari, what you doing? Look how he threw that frisbee. Terrible. Amari, come to mommy. Let's get some gas. Get some gas, Poopy. There you go. He number 2. You got the number 2. Hey, babe.
What's going on?
How you doing today?
Good. Feeling blessed. Got a little man out here on the dirt bike, riding with no training wheels. So that's how we started him off with no training wheels. As you see, he ready to go.
Yeah, he out there.
We gotta take it to the track. That's what we're gonna do, take it to the track. Take it to the dirt bike track. We're gonna let him go riding some dirt. Maybe a little hills, a little ramps or something like that.
He need to get some more gas, though.
But yeah, alright, to get comfortable. When he get comfortable, he'll start picking it up. Let's go, man. Still riding that dirt bike. Doing a good job, no training wheels. So he only 6 years old, so doing a great job at 6. Go, boy. Riding that dirt bike. Good job. Let's see what these guys over here doing. Y'all playing frisbee? What you doing way over there? What you doing there, Ava? Let's go see what Ava doing. Ava got the frisbee. Oh my goodness. Throw that thing again, Ava. Let's see that throw. Let me see how you throw that frisbee, Ava. Throw that thing. Let me see how you throw that thing. Ah.
That was the furthest. Let's see the furthest. You play too.
See what? See the throw the furthest?
Yeah.
Hey, what you doing?
I'm about to go first. You ready?
Let me hear chili. Let me do a chill for me. Do a chill for me. What's your nastiest? Let me see what you got. Go.
Nasty.
Let's go. What you got? Hey. Good job. Good job. Where you going?
Amari. There, over there.
He threw the frisbee over there? Go back to the Amari. Look at this guy. Think he's the man now. Go. Run me over, buddy. Like I said, that's a CRF 50 right there. That he riding. So, like I said, he just turned 6. So, woo.
Like, I hold the camera.
Say what?
I hold the camera.
Why you want to hold the camera?
Cause you play with.
Don't give me the camera.
Cause you play.
Son, who you throwing the frisbee to? You throwing nobody.
I'm throwing it.
Then how about you play with him and I hold the camera?
Hold on, let's go see what Amari do with the bike. Man, look, man. Hey, son, we gonna play basketball over there?
Yeah.
We got a group of guys over there playing basketball. We're gonna shoot them there and play basketball. Yeah, he nervous. He say he nervous.
I think I play with the grown-ups.
Yeah, he played with the grown-ups.
They gonna get mad at me.
Say what?
They gonna get mad at me if I turn the ball over. They gonna be super mad.
So we're gonna play basketball with the grown-ups. So it's gonna be his first time playing with the grown-ups, and he nervous.
Yeah, because every time I turn the ball over, they gonna get mad.
But I told him, just pass the ball to me, and we'll
They gonna
win.
miss every time.
Who gonna miss?
You.
If y'all ain't seen me play before, they gonna be plenty of videos where I'm busting him and some of the other guys on the court that y'all gonna see. I'm gonna go at. So stay tuned to that.
King of the Court video. We already.
King of the Court video?
Yeah, remember that one?
He want to do a King of the Court video, so we'll do a King of the Court video also. So we're gonna do that. But what's up, Ava?
I want to hold the camera.
You want to hold the camera?
Yeah.
Ava want to hold the camera. Look at Ava, so pretty.
$20,000
Look at Mari. Look, Mari. Go, boy. Go. Go.
Guys, yeah.
What, you got a phone? Hey, we got a phone? Hold on, look at Amari. Go, boy. Hey, you having fun? Go. Ride a wheelie. They said ride a wheelie. It's going fast and everything. It got 3 gears on it. I got it in first gear. So, until you get comfortable, until you get very comfortable, I'm not putting it in second gear, guys. It could go a lot faster than it is, but for his safety, I don't want him to get too carried away. I want him to get comfortable on the bike first. Oh, don't run me over. Get comfortable on the bike first. Go for it. There we go. Once you get comfortable, we go to second gear, the third gear. So, but he's feeling real good in first gear right now, like I said. So, don't want him to blow the motor, but he's putting that first gear to the max. Don't run me over, boy. Like I said, he having fun. Like I said, as you see, he having fun over here in the family. Over here, just eating snacks. Eating, enjoying the outdoors.
Hey, I know you're not coming over here.
Yeah, I'm coming over there. I'm not coming.
Don't get me on camera.
Yeah, these guys over here. Like I said, we outdoors, y'all. Got people outdoors, enjoying the outdoors. We got soccer fields out here. Maybe get soccer games out here. So, but we got the family over here. Just enjoying the outdoors right now. So, eat snacks. But Amari just enjoying himself with the dirt bike. I'm gonna get on that thing, man. I'm gonna get on that dirt bike, man. That dirt bike look fun. I got one at the house also. Mine's just a whole lot bigger, but I didn't want to come tear up the grass. Hey, son, you want to get on? Go ahead. You better let Amir get on. Let's see what he do on it. I know he gonna go crazy. He know how to switch gears. Come on. Finna let his brother ride. Finna let Amir ride. Then I'm gonna get on the next, y'all. I gotta get on. A little too fun. You gotta stop him.
I gotta go fast.
Alright, slow down, slow down, slow down. You sound like a little girl. Oh, he don't know how to stop yet, but oh, his big brother getting on, so he ready. He couldn't wait to get on. Now y'all ready to see how fast he goes. For his birthday, so his birthday coming up, but he really don't want one. He want a gaming setup, so told him to get a dirt bike, so we all three have one. All three of the boys will have one. Ava said she want a 4-wheeler. We'll see about that. Let's go here and see what's going on over here. Hey, little man, come here. Slow down. So how was it? How was it, man?
Good.
Here go Amari right here. So stop moving. So got a little interview. So how was your first time? Well, it's not your first time. How was your second time riding a dirt bike with no training wheels? What you think?
Good.
Good. You're getting better, right? Yeah. So you going a lot faster this time. Yeah. You had a good time. You ready to get back on again? I'm gonna put you back on it, man. Your brother right now riding the bike, man. How old are you? 6 years old. 6 years old riding the CRF 50 dirt bike with no training wheels, gas powered. So if he could do it, I think a lot of y'all 6 years, don't be afraid to let him go out there. As long as you got the gear. I see you got your helmet on. You got your, what's that, shirt? You got your dirt bike shirt on. You got a glove on. What happened to your other glove? You want to wear one glove? Oh, you want to be cool. You got one glove on. Let me see your gloves. The other side. So he got his riding gloves on. He got his riding helmet on. He got the dirt bike shirt on. He's about ready to go. Let's go see what his brother doing. That's why he tear up your dirt bike. Let's see what he doing. Whoa, where he go? There you go. There you go, y'all. There you go. Let's go. Let's focus in on him. See what he got going on. Huh? What's up, Ava? Yeah, come over here. Ava,
A phone.
what you got?
A phone.
You got a phone? How you get a phone? You too young to have a phone. Ava got a phone. What kind of phone that is? An iPhone? How you get an iPhone? How old are you,
I
Ava?
got iPhone 11.
You ain't got no iPhone 11.
Yes, I do.
What's that? Let me see. Well, might be. Nah, I don't think so. How old are you, Ava? Huh? Yeah, big 4. Ava, big 4.
After 4, 5.
Yeah, after 4 is 5. So
What's the survive?
6. You know that. After 5 is 6.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh.
What's after 6?
1, 2, 3. Wait, hold on, what's that?
See?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
There you go.
8,
Yeah.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
I hear you,
18, 19.
Oh, good job.
I
Good
know
job.
count.
You said what now?
I know count.
Hold on, let's see what your brother doing. Hey, let me ride. Uh-oh. My wife want to ride. You gonna ride, babe?
Yeah, but
He weighing.
Oh, please, Mama.
There you
Please.
go. There you go.
You are down there. Oh, please come out with you.
Come over here. See, the whole family want to ride now. Now my wife want to ride. I want to ride. We all gonna ride. How about that? Come on. Your mom want to ride. Your mom want to ride. You know the gears, all the gears.
All right. All the gears is up.
My wife gonna ride.
You can't get on with me.
Go ahead, babe.
Okay, hold on.
Uh-oh, this
What
might
I'm
be.
supposed to do?
Lift up on the gear. Give it some gas. Give it some gas. Give it some gas. Show her where the gas is, son. Help her. Oh, my wife is riding. I don't think she ever rode. Look, she ain't gonna change the gears. She gonna. Oh man, it's not gonna be good. She gonna blow the.
Will I change the gears?
She need to change the gears. As y'all can see, she not changing the gears.
Did I change the gears? Right?
Yeah, you changed the gears.
What changing gears mean?
Oh yeah, she changed it. Yeah, there you go. She finally changed it. Now she's in second.
How many gears are on that one?
3.
3?
All the gears are up. 3 gears on her. Uh-oh, you better watch out. She in 3rd gear now, so she having the ball. I gotta give me a turn. Huh?
How many gears gonna be on my dirt bike if I get one?
You want dirt bike now?
I've been wanting a dirt bike.
So you gonna get one for your birthday or what? You talking about you want a gaming setup instead of the dirt bike?
I just asked for a desk and a chair.
But yeah,
I don't know.
you probably have like 5 gears on yours.
5? Am I gonna have no space for a dirt bike on mine?
Huh?
Am I gonna have no space for a dirt bike?
What you mean space?
On my list.
Shoot, I don't know about that now. Oh no. You got brakes on the base.
I
I'm
got
gonna show you how to
it's
stop.
like a bike. It's like a bike.
Like bike brakes. Alright, my turn.
Who next?
Me?
Yeah, I wanna ride.
Can I put Ava on?
No. You can't put an Avon. It's not a 2-person bike.
She can sit right here. We can go a little bit.
Alright, if you feel safe, I'll leave that up to you.
We're not gonna go fast.
Alright, y'all, don't try this at home. But this is Ava getting on there with wifey, so let's see how this turned out. You hear Ava screaming. Got Ava out there. Why she gonna want to do it again? That's why you want to get on. She gonna want to do it again. But you got the guys over here. Hey, we're gonna play basketball over there, man.
Who we gonna play too?
No, he can't play.
Yeah, hi, he gonna
So we finna go play basketball, y'all.
He
This
can
guy
run
right here
point
gonna
guard. I
run.
can run shooting guard.
He
You
gonna
run
run the point guard. I'm gonna run the shooting guard, and we're gonna see if we can win this game, man. Hey, if he hold his down, we're gonna win.
I'm gonna be scared.
Huh?
Be nervous.
Like I said, if he hold his weight down, y'all, we're gonna win.
But I'm gonna play defense on them. They gonna try to go past me every time.
You gonna go past you every time.
Yeah.
Woo. Like I said, y'all, we about to go play basketball.
What
And
about me?
if he hold his weight down, we gonna win. So y'all stay tuned, and we gonna see if we can get this big.
We got some more people on our team.
Look, man, you too little to play basketball with us right now, man. You know how long he had to wait to play with the big guys. Let's go see what's going on. What's going on, babe?
It's your turn.
My turn.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, my turn. I'm gonna ride a wheel then.
Huh?
Turn off. You hit that red button.
The red button.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so it's my
You
turn.
can't
Put the
have
kickstand
me.
down on the left side. There you go.
They gotta say you having me?
No, I'm not gonna go with you, Ava. Here you go, babe. I'm finna get on
I'm
now.
gonna hold it. I'll hold it. No, let's say first.
Yeah, he got me on camera looking a mess. Please excuse.
I'm gonna hold it.
Wait,
Oh,
no.
you didn't
I'm
pay
gonna hold it.
Hold on. No.
I asked first. No. Mommy. I know a holy bit. Well, you, come here. I got it. For you, record somewhere. Yeah.
Let's go. Give it all you got.
Huh?
Give it all you got.
I'm gonna ride a wheelie.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. You heard y'all. Crazy stuff.
I gotta pick you up. I was going faster than that. I gotta pick you up.
Ava, stop.
Ow.
going too fast. Oh, that racer. Slow down. What y'all racing? Let's see what's going on. Ava! He's not gonna hit you. Ava got her snacks and drink. What you got, Ava? What you got? You got your juice? Let me see what you got. What's that, cotton candy?
Say no boys allowed.
You got your cotton candy and your juice. Okay. Little man just having so much fun out there. Guys. Well, we finna... Come on, let's go! We gotta get out of here.
He getting very comfortable. He got very comfortable, y'all. Very comfortable on the bike. So, we very comfortable. So, like I said, guys, we took him out here to ride his dirt bike for the second time, and he ride without training wheels. So, he did a good job. And we got to get him out there to the track, and we're gonna see how he do on a dirt track. I might bring my dirt bike out, so stay tuned to that when we go to the track. I might bring my dirt bike out and teach him a few things or two. But y'all rake my wheelie I did. Let me know what you think about that. That little 50 be able to do a wheelie. So keep that in mind. Your son's 6, it's a powerful little bike. Look at my baby. What you doing? Sneaking up behind me?
I really don't want to be in the camera, but I kind of do.
Look at baby, don't
Hey,
want to be in the camera. She don't want to be in the camera today, so she said she ain't got her hair done. So you know how ladies be, but I respect that though. But all right, guys, like I said, thanks for watching. Me and little man finna go play some basketball. He over there putting his shorts on, so we still gonna see can we go sweep these guys after this court. And like I said, we enjoyed the day today, nice weather today. So like I said, thanks for watching the video. Until next time, we'll see y'all guys later. Thanks for watching.